Hello and welcome to your video demonstration and review on organic jojoba oil by Essante Organics. Okay, so this is a review on golden jojoba oil that is organic, and I'm going to quickly go over what this oil is. Okay, it is the best carrier massage oil used for it's odorless. It's fully absorbs into skin without leaving residue. It won't stain your clothes or your sheets. Perfect for infants and elderly. Oil closest to your own skin's fatty acid makeup. Cleanses any skin imbalance. Helps with blemishes. Good for sensitive skin. If you got itchy skin, patchy, blotchy, bumpy, or puffy skin. If you got infant scalp imbalances, adult scalp imbalances, and stretch marks. Okay, so I'm going to try to do a demonstration. I am not an expert at this, I must say, and really I don't exactly know how to use it the best way, but I have enough information to still use it, okay? They have a guide on how to use essential oils, and it does say right here actually how to use this carrier oil and some other carrier solutions that Essante sells is the citrus body butter and the rejuvenate moisturizer, face moisturizer, and we have a NAPCA hydrating stress reducing mist, which is an essential oil mist that you can spray and breathe it in, and it's supposed to help reduce your stress, make you feel calmer, good before bed. But anytime, or anyway, you can mix essential oils with those products as well, because they also work as a carrier solution in addition to the jojoba. So it does give you instructions on the bottle, okay? Also, it explains how to use it for infants, 1 to 6 months old, all the way to 13 years to adult. Okay, so it says 1 ounce of mild carrier oil mix with the following drops of essential oil. So I'm just going to be very conservative because 1 ounce seems like a lot, but it's really neat because you got this. Let me make sure you can see here. Okay, I'm just going to mix it into this little bowl, okay? And they give you a nice little, I don't know what to call this, a squeegee. And you can just put the drops in like that. I watched a couple YouTube tutorials as well, so feel free to do your own research, but this is how to get the oil out of the actual jar. So I'm just going to put in some drops like that, and then what I'm going to do is use my citrus body butter and put in a little bit of that as well, because I actually have pretty bad dry scalp, and I got some itchiness on my ankle. I don't know what from. And tea tree oil helps also with scalp imbalances. So I'm going to just be very conservative since I don't know exactly what I'm doing. And I'll just put in like 2 drops of this essential oil. And maybe even mix in a little more of the jojoba oil. And then basically mix this all together, citrus body butter and the jojoba oil with a little bit of essential oil. And I'm going to mix that and apply it to my skin. And you can also mix the jojoba oil to basically any lotion or skincare product, or if you got conditioner or even maybe shampoo, and you can mix it to that with a little essential oil. It does say you can use like 10 to 20 drops of essential oil, but that seems like a lot. for how much I put in. So I'm just going to be very conservative until I know how to use it better. Just being very honest about the product. But I know that this will definitely help with my dry scalp and any kind of itchiness and skin problems that I have, okay? So if these products interest you, hey, maybe you know how to use them a lot better than I do. That's perfect. I'm new to using carrier essential oils, okay? So you could always place an order at AssanteOrganics.com using my website, of course, below the video, which you can sign up and create a quick free account, and then you can place a one-time wholesale order for any of our essential oils and our jojoba carrier oils. You just got to click the essential oil section here and then select the one that interests you. Now, jojoba oil is going to cost you for wholesale about $48, okay? So hit the link below the video, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.